call. Oh, we have a caller for you. Says his name is Reed.
What's up, Laszlo?
Hey, buddy.
Just to be clear, Laszlo, we're not friends. I defriended you years ago from all of my social networks.
Wow, you are a mess, Laszlo. Next caller.
Hey, Laszlo, that's offensive what you said about fantasy football.
You mean when I said it was for creepy perverts who run around the house in a jockstrap, pecking away at a laptop?
Hey, I'm not a pervert. I'm just really into fantasy sports. I have a fantasy football team. I think about it for hours. Fantasizing we just won, we're in the locker room, half the guys are nude, we're really pumped, we're taking a shower, and then, look, anyways, so what if me and my friends get together with our laptops and watch the game? It's really exciting. I love statistics.
Okay, so let me get this straight. You've decided to pump up the, tedium of watching sports and interject the non-stop laugh-a-minute fun of statistics. Listen, there's only one statistic I'm interested in, and that's how many hoes I've had. What?
Ugh, you keep a running total on the wall? Really classy.
That's 3 digits, woman! Ha-ha! One day you'll understand about conquest, Michelle. Speaking of, here's an interesting caller that wants to talk about Sun, and its reddish hue is from iron oxide. This is your space moment of Chattersphere.
I mean, why do we have a dune buggy up there? I don't even have a dune buggy.
Say, that Laszlo, he died of a broken heart.
Well, cocaine broke your heart.
Well, a bitter...
Go to the phone.
thought.
Coming up next on Chat... of the Mountain Fellowship, Brother Adrian. Brother Adrian, welcome to the show.
Hello, my child.